Assalamu alaikum, guys. My name is Hafiz Muhammad Furqan, and today our lesson is Harakat. So, basically, what is Harakat? Harakat is Fatha Kasrah and Dammah. They also called Zabar, Zair, and Pesh. So, what are they? Okay. So, if the letter have, if the letter have horizontal line come top of the letter. Suppose this is straight line is a letter and a horizontal line come top of the letter. I make a harakat with a red color so you guys can easily understand it. You see the horizontal line? This line is called fatha. What's called fatha? Just give me a minute, I'm highlighting it. This line is called fatha. Now the next last letter is kasra. Okay. So what is kasra? Kasra is the same line. Kasra is a horizontal line. Same. Come below of the letter. Come below of the letter. Fatha come top of the letter and a kasra came below of the letter. Okay. And third one is Dhamma. What is Dhamma? So Dhamma is a wow sign come top of the letter. Dhamma is a wow sign come top of the letter, just like this sign. Okay. So this sign is called Dhamma that comes on the top of the letter. So Fatha is a horizontal line come top of the letter. Kasra is a horizontal line come below of the letter. And Dhamma is a wow sign come top of the letter. Okay. So now our topic is how we can read the Fatha, Kasra and Dhamma. It's very simple, okay? So let's go further. Now we I'm drawing some letters, just like suppose I'm drawing ba. This is a ba. I draw three ba because there are three symbols we need to read and practice. So there are three bars. Okay. So first ba have fatha. Okay. You see the horizontal line come top of the ba. It's mean it's fatha. Now the second ba have kasra because the horizontal line come below the letter. And the third ba is the ma because ba have wow sign come top of the ba. Okay. So how can we read ba? We read like ba fatha ba, ba kasra b, ba dhamma bu. Okay. In ba fatha, in ba fatha, the sounds go top of the sounds go upward. If you focus on this, the sounds is moving upward. Ba fatha ba, okay, ba upward, and then the next one is ba kasra. Okay, so if you focus on this ba in ba kasra, ba sounds uh, drop down. Okay, ba kasra b, b, b is dropping a sound. Okay, B, like B, Ba Kasra B. And the third one is Ba Dhamma, Ba Dhamma Boo. The sound is like moving, okay? Boo. Our lips make a ring when we read boo, okay? So This is how can we read Fatha, Kasra, and Dhamma. Now let's go further. Uh, we can make a practice from a startup. So let's start it from Hamza. Okay. So this is a Hamza. Hamza have the horizontal line on the top. So it's mean it's Fatha. We can read this Hamza Fatha A. One more thing that there is a Alif and I say that this is Hamza. So why I can say that this is Hamza? Just because Alif have no any symbol. If there is any symbol on the top or below of the Alif, that means it's not a Alif, it's a Hamza. So remember this. This is an Arabic rule. So Hamza Fatha A, the sound is moving upward. Hamza Kasra E, the sound is going downward. Hamza Dhamma U, the sound is moving less like a circle. Same thing we can do Ba Fatha Ba, Ba Kasra B, Ba Dhamma Bu. Same thing. Ta Fatha Ta, Ta Kasra Ti, Ta Dhamma Tu. Next one. Fa Fatha Sa, Fa Kasra Si, Fa Dhamma Su. Jim Fatha Ja, Jim Kasra Ji, Jim Dhamma Ju. Ha Fatha Ha, Ha Kasra Hi, Ha Dhamma Hu. Kha Fatha Kha, Kha Kasra Khi, Kha Dhamma Hu. Dal Fatha Da, Dal Kasra Di, Dal Dhamma Du. Okay, so we can go further. Zal Fatha Za. Okay, just give me a minute. Next one is Zal Kasra Di, Zal Dhamma Zu. Ra Fatha Ra, Ra Kasra Ri, Ra Dhamma Ru. Za Fatha Za, Za Kasra Zi, Za Dhamma Zu. Sin Fatha Sa, Sin Kasra Si, Sin Dhamma Su. Sa. Okay, now we can go further. It's a Shin Fatha, Shin Fatha Sha, Shin Kasra Shi, Shin Dhamma Shu. Swat Fatha Swa, Swat Fatha Swat Kasra Sui, Swat Dhamma Su. Dot Fatha Dwa, Dot Kasra Dwi, Dot Dhamma Du. Twa Fatha Twa, Twa Kasra Twi, Twa Dhamma Tu. Zwa Fatha Zwa, Zwa Kasra Zwi, Zwa Dhamma Zu. Ain Fatha A, Ain Kasra I, Ain Dhamma U. Ghain Fatha Gha, Ghain Kasra Ghi, Ghain Dhamma Hu. Fa Fatha Fa, Fa Kasra Fi, Fa Dhamma Fu. Qaf Fatha Qa, Qaf Kasra Qi, Qaf Dhamma Qu. Kaf Fatha Ka, Kaf Kasra Ki, Kaf Dhamma Ku. Lam Fatha La, Lam Kasra Li, Lam Dhamma Lu. Mim Fatha Ma, Mim Kasra Mi, Mim Dhamma Mu. Nun Fatha Na, Nun Kasra Ni, Nun Dhamma Nu. Waw Fatha Wa, Waw Kasra Vi, Waw Dhamma Vu. Ha Fatha Ha, Ha Kasra Hi, Ha Dhamma Hu. Hamza Fatha A, Hamza Kasra I, Hamza Dhamma U. Ya Fatha Ya, Ya Kasra Yi, Ya Dhamma Yu. Now we can read these all with spelling. Now it's time to read all of them without spelling. So how can we read without spelling? It's very easy and simple. Like a, I, u, ba, bi, bu, ta, ti, tu, sa, si, su, ja, ji, ju, ha, hi, hu, kha, khi, khu, da, di, du, za, zi, zu, ra, ri, ru, za, zi, zu, sa, si, su, sha, shi, shu, swa, sui, su, dwa, dwi, du, twa, twi, tu, zwa, zwi, zu, a, I, u, gha, ghi, gu, fa, fi, fu, qa, qi, fu, ka, ki, ku, la, li, lu, ma, mi, mu, na, ni, nu, wa, vi, vu, ha, hi, hu, a, I, u, ya, ji, ju. So this is the complete harakat uh, with every letters. So now in the next class, inshallah, we will make a practice of harakat. Okay, we can read exercise of harakat. Okay, I hope you guys understand this well. If you have any query, you can directly comment below. Inshallah, I will resolve your query as soon as possible. Okay, Allah Hafiz.